Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're going to make an amazing grilled tacos al pastor on the Beale Street, powered by Memphis. When you make a traditional tacos al pastor, you normally make it on a vertical skewer, but since not everybody might have one of those at home, we're going to take a slightly different approach to it, but we're still going to get the same amazing flavors. The first thing that we need to do is start mixing the marinade, so here's what we're going to do. In order to make the marinade, you want to start with one small yellow onion that's been cut into pieces and add this into the blender. Then you want to add about 5 ounces of pineapple chunked. Next you want to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of orange juice. Then you want to add 4 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Next you want to add 4 tablespoons of Guajillo chili paste and then 2 Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Add a little bit extra adobo sauce if you like it spicy. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you want to blend this on high until completely liquefied. The marinade is now mixed, so it's time to start slicing the pork. You want to take about 2.5 pounds of pork loin and slice thinly. Pour the marinade into a bowl and dip all the slices. Then you want to place the pork slices in a sealable bag and keep it in the refrigerator overnight. The pork has now been sitting in the marinade overnight. It smells and it looks amazing. So now it's time to put together all the other ingredients for the tacos al pastor. The first thing that we're going to do is the roasted tomatillo salsa. So this is what we're going to do. To get started, we want to set up the Beale Street to 450 degrees using apple pellets. Then you want to roast about 8 tomatillos, 1 onion, and 6 small garlic cloves for about 12 to 15 minutes. When ready, remove from the grill, put in a blender, and blend with 3 Chipotles in adobo sauce, about 5 tablespoons of pineapple juice, and then you want to blend this until well combined. Put in a bowl and season with salt and pepper if needed. The roasted tomatillo sauce is now finished and it's got a great heat to it. So now we need to balance that. So what we're going to do now is grill up some pineapples and also the pork. Now you want to increase the temperature on your Beale Street pellet grill to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. When the grill is up to temp and the grates are hot and nice, it's time to grill some slices of pineapple. When the pineapple slices has a good char, remove them from the grill and cut them into smaller pieces. Now you want to remove the sliced pork loin from the marinade and it's time to grill the meat until cooked through. You want to turn the pork loins a couple of times during the grill, and when they're cooked through and have a nice char, they're ready and you can remove them from the grill. Now you want to cut these into thin slices to serve on the tacos. Next you want to grill a couple of corn tortillas on the grill, and then we're finally ready to put together the tacos. Now all our ingredients for the grilled tacos al pastor are finished. It's time to put it together, and this is how we're going to do. Start by adding some chopped red onions. Then you want to add a handful of tacos al pastor meat. Next, add a couple of pieces of the grilled pineapple. Then you want to spoon some of the roasted tomatillo salsa on top. And finally, we're going to add some chopped cilantro and squeeze some lime juice over the tacos. And then they're ready to serve. And that is how you make a grilled tacos al pastor on the Beale Street, powered by Memphis. Now, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try the tacos and see what it tastes like. So here we go. That is so good. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.